Curious about hacking but not sure where to start? These 10 all-in-one toolkits for 2026 make it easier than ever for beginners. Just a quick heads up, this video is for educational purposes only. Please use these tools responsibly and legally. Think of these toolkits as your entry ticket into ethical hacking, helping you understand systems, find vulnerabilities, and protect yourself online. Now, let's jump into the 10 best all-in-one hacking toolkits for beginners in 2026. Let's kick things off with HackStarter 2026, the ultimate entry point for anyone curious about cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's dabbled in tech but never taken the plunge into hacking, this toolkit is designed with you in mind. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of hacking tools out there, or confused by complicated interfaces and jargon, HackStarter is your one-stop shop. It's built to remove the intimidation factor and make learning both fun and accessible. The dashboard is clean, modern, and intuitive, putting all the essentials right at your fingertips. With features like password auditing, network scanning, and encrypted note-taking, you can explore the basics of cybersecurity without feeling lost. Each tool is clearly labeled and comes with helpful explanations, so you always know what you're doing and why it matters. The interactive onboarding experience is a game changer. It guides you step by step through each feature, breaking down complex concepts into simple, digestible lessons. Unfamiliar terms are explained in plain language, and hands-on tutorials let you practice as you learn, building your confidence from the very start. HackStarter also connects you with a vibrant online community. Community integration means you can join forums, ask questions, and share your discoveries directly from the app. Whether you're looking for advice, want to showcase your progress, or just connect with fellow learners, you'll always have support. Safety is a top priority. With the built-in sandboxing environment, you can experiment and test your skills in a secure, isolated space. This means you can try out new tools and techniques without ever putting your real system at risk. Plus, HackStarter's auto-updating modules ensure you're always protected with the latest security features and tools. You never have to worry about falling behind or missing critical updates. If you want a toolkit that makes learning hacking approachable, interactive, and safe, HackStarter 2026 is the perfect place to begin your journey. Dive in, explore, and unlock your potential in the world of cybersecurity. Next up is CyberKit Pro X, a true all-in-one powerhouse designed for anyone eager to master cybersecurity. This toolkit stands out as the ultimate solution, seamlessly combining a wide range of essential features into a single, user-friendly platform. With CyberKit Pro X, you get advanced Wi-Fi penetration testing tools, comprehensive web vulnerability scanning, and a host of other powerful utilities, all accessible from one intuitive dashboard. Whether you're probing networks for weaknesses or analyzing web applications for security flaws, everything you need is right at your fingertips. The interface is designed to be both seamless and highly intuitive, allowing users to drag and drop modules, customize their workflow, and access complex features without feeling overwhelmed. Even if you're new to cybersecurity, the layout makes it easy to navigate and start using advanced tools with confidence. One of the standout features is the built-in AI assistant, which acts as your personal guide throughout the entire process. The AI assistant walks you through each step, offering helpful tips, explanations, and suggestions as you work through challenging tasks. It even monitors your commands and corrects your syntax in real time, ensuring you avoid common mistakes and learn best practices as you go. This real-time feedback is invaluable for building your skills and boosting your confidence. CyberKit Pro X also features immersive scenario labs, where you can safely test your skills in realistic virtual environments. These labs simulate real-world hacking situations, letting you practice techniques, experiment with different strategies, and see the immediate results of your actions, all without any risk to actual systems. To support your learning journey, CyberKit Pro X offers regular software updates packed with the latest security tools and techniques. Plus, you'll have access to a vibrant support community where you can ask questions, share experiences, and learn from fellow cybersecurity enthusiasts and experts. When you're ready to showcase your progress, you can easily export your results and reports. This makes it simple to build a professional portfolio, track your growth, and demonstrate your skills to potential employers or clients. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a more integrated learning experience, CyberKit Pro X is the perfect choice. Its comprehensive features, supportive community, and hands-on labs make it an ideal platform for anyone serious about learning cybersecurity from the ground up. NovaHack Suite is designed with one goal in mind: making cybersecurity learning accessible, engaging, and straightforward for everyone, regardless of their experience level. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on the latest tools, NovaHack Suite welcomes you with open arms and an intuitive approach. Its sleek, modern interface and thoughtfully organized layout ensure that you never feel overwhelmed. Every feature is placed exactly where you'd expect, making navigation effortless and the learning curve gentle. You can focus on mastering skills, not on figuring out complicated menus. NovaHack Suite comes packed with built-in tutorials, hands-on interactive exercises, and quizzes that reinforce your understanding. Each module is crafted to explain not just how to use a tool, but why it matters, helping you grasp the real-world applications behind every lesson. To keep you motivated, the suite uses gamification, offering challenges, digital badges, and achievement milestones. These rewards make learning feel like a game, encouraging you to keep progressing and celebrating your successes along the way. If you ever get stuck, the Smart Help system is always ready to assist. It provides context-sensitive tips and guidance tailored to your current task, so you're never left guessing or searching for answers. NovaHack Suite covers all the essential basics, from port scanning and password cracking to wireless security testing. Each topic is broken down into manageable steps, making even the most complex concepts easy to understand and apply. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or an aspiring professional, if you're searching for a toolkit that teaches as much as it empowers, NovaHack Suite is the perfect place to start your journey. By transforming complex cybersecurity concepts into approachable, bite-sized lessons, NovaHack Suite ensures that learning is always within reach. Dive in and discover how simple, fun, and rewarding cybersecurity education can be. QuantumCrack Toolbox takes the repetitive work out of hacking with advanced automation. Run vulnerability assessments and password attacks with just a few clicks, no coding required. Pre-built scripts and a visual workflow editor make complex tasks simple. Safe mode prevents accidental targeting or network overload. Cloud integration keeps your reports secure. If you value efficiency and want to focus on learning, QuantumCrack Toolbox is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. ZeroDay OnePack keeps you ahead with a constantly updated library of exploits and vulnerabilities. The exploit library is organized by difficulty and target, making it easy to find the right challenge. Each exploit includes documentation, walkthroughs, and mitigation tips, so you learn both offense and defense. Robust sandboxing and preview mode let you explore safely. The in-app newsfeed keeps you updated on cybersecurity trends. ZeroDay OnePack is perfect for learning both sides of hacking while staying current and safe. ScriptEase 2026 lets beginners build custom scripts with a drag-and-drop interface. No coding needed. Start with common actions, connect them visually, and ScriptEase generates the code for you. Preview your script before running, and reveal the code as you gain confidence. The Script Marketplace lets you share and download community scripts. If scripting feels intimidating, ScriptEase 2026 is your perfect entry point. VulnScan Fusion is your go-to toolkit for vulnerability scanning and reporting. Select your target, choose scan depth, and get clear, plain English explanations for each finding. Detailed reports include actionable remediation steps and export to PDF for your portfolio. The built-in Learning Center offers case studies and sample vulnerabilities. Practice identifying and fixing issues in a safe environment. VulnScan Fusion emphasizes learning by doing, with clear feedback every step of the way. NetNinja Essentials is perfect for network analysis and penetration testing. It combines network discovery, packet sniffing, and penetration modules in one sleek interface. Real-time visualization helps you understand data flow and spot anomalies. Safe testing modes and rollback features let you experiment without risk. If you want to sharpen your network security skills, NetNinja Essentials is a must-have. PhishGuard Pro helps you master phishing simulation and defense. Use pre-built templates to see how attacks work, then customize scenarios for safe, legal testing. Interactive lessons, quizzes, and case studies teach you to spot red flags. The reporting dashboard tracks your progress and highlights areas for improvement. For building both offensive and defensive phishing skills, PhishGuard Pro has you covered. RootAccess Lite is lightweight and approachable, ideal for older hardware or simple setups. Focuses on essentials, basic penetration testing, password recovery, and file analysis. Step-by-step guides walk you through every action and explain the reasoning. Access a library of beginner-friendly challenges at your own pace. Each challenge reinforces your skills and builds confidence. For a no-frills, dependable start to ethical hacking, RootAccess Lite is a fantastic choice. That's our roundup of the 10 best all-in-one hacking toolkits for beginners in 2026. Remember, these are for ethical hacking and learning only. Stay safe and responsible online. Which toolkit are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Your journey into cybersecurity starts here. Keep learning, stay curious, and see you in the next video.